sir. I said that was sir. Where the one not called? Okay, I'll call ever when near baby have near doing here. 100 million here, me told you 100 million for insulting my mother, my parents. 100 million I told you here pay 100 million. All yeah, even my parents for insulting them. Hey, how dare you? Esther did the same thing as Kabaka. Esther not know here that it's enough for her. If I do something, just go and be insulting my parents. Okay, we are social media, here a politician. Epa me watch it. Tony can you see a fiotone. So Tony is capable of killing my parents. He's capable. If you watch his BBC interview, you will know that he's capable. Tony don't use gun shoot his brother Kapwepwe. It's in the public domain. So Epa, Tony must leave. Tony must be sent to the evil forest. Tony Medo. Epa, our true, man true for what I man true. I dare broadcast now. I dare broadcast now. I don't want very life. See, guess what, guys? Tony called me yesterday morning. Tony, I may not believe. Said Tony called me yesterday morning. I want you guys to share this live. Tony Kabaka called me. I was in my dining here. Tony called me, begging me. Tony called me, begging me yesterday morning. I was shocked. Tony called me yesterday morning, they begged me. I shocked. I saw one comment yesterday after I posted that Tony is in the EFCC custody. Somebody called comments. I have a screenshot am. He said, you are a very bad person. I was in Tony's house, Tony Kabaka's house when he called you. Now, Tony Kabaka knows that even in this Okpebolo government, I am more powerful than him. I have been reliably informed. Wait, let me share this link to somewhere. Okpebolo, they sit down for 3 hours. They listen to me for this broadcast. Wait, I recall. Tony is scared of losing his job. They have warned him. They have warned him twice. The 3 months contract when I give Tony, they never renew one. Tony Cousin and me wanted to get contract. I mean, nobody should send me. I don't want to play match. I beg. They come. They come. If I lie, Tony there. See, if I not Tony, when I call it, daughter may go ball, may go be Tony for ball. Because I swear, yeah, I'm going to Tony Bakotana. Oh, okay, Tony, I'm going to Tony. Okay, yesterday morning, I got a call from somebody, and we measured the person. I don't like to mention person, but this one, it already reached threat to life. Arguable, I just swear. The owner of Victoria Inn Hotel in Benin, Mr. Ken, and the hotel opposite Honorable Matthew Ijorekeme Hotel, a house in Ubo. Mr. Ken is my friend. He called me. Now, person will say, they easily call me. As he called me, I said, Ken not easily call me, then I pick. Because I told you want to use me shine, no. You want to use me shine. Whereas if they pass back, they come beg me. And I pity all these idiots when they fight for our social media. I won't fail. I say, how about how far? I say, Baba, I don't tell. He say, I beg. He get 2 requests. As he mentioned 2 requests, I also say now, politics. Because I know that he's close to Denko, the deputy governor. He's also close to Tony Kabaka. But I wasn't expecting Tony Kabaka. I was saying maybe not Denko. And maybe another matter. I said, go ahead. He said, you go do it. I said, tell me fair. I'm not going to tell you whether I go do it or not. I want to hear first. He said, it is on Tony Kabaka. He said, now why do you want to say Tony Kabaka? As he talked that early morning, I know how Tony operates. I said, Tony, I call him. Say la wa ye bumi ajo wa che mu we abati na wu dana won ni la re. That's how Tony operates. I know him. As he talked that, somebody tell me say Tony did there. And I said, bros, maybe you're busy this morning. May I call you later? I said, no, Gagwan. Call insist. I said, bro, first, I don't get personal issue with Tony Kabaka. I said, for Dennis now deputy governor, you know if you tell me make I not talk to Dennis. Obazee and Philip was criticized for years. So why would I criticize the deputy governor of my state? I'm the opposition. So you know if you tell me say I not mention Denko. Because this thing, you say, okay, a Tony deputy governor, no. I can say, I don't have personal issue with Tony Kabaka. If you not care, when I come and come wash me down. If I lie. I said, I don't have any personal issue with Tony Kabaka. I said, but Tony is an oppressor. I said, I don't like oppressors. He said, no, how now? I told you not be oppressor. How now? I said, bro, Tony is an oppressor. And they hear things. Tony up out of pepper body. Maybe ye more a Morocco ye Obago ball. Out of pepper body, in your collect phone from Ken. He said, how about we are your pressure? How about if you are your pressure? Don't your press. And the chairman doubles her. Et to a doubles her. Who rob ye me? Et no chairman doubles her. Eh, ye chairman where? Who rob ye me? Yahweh, about Yahweh. When they hear that Yahweh, I mean human being. I feel like say this guy don't want wahala. I call a chairman. We were marriage. Ina mwe musician. Ina munwe. Ike Italy de. Ina de gogo. Ina riegwe. Nenemi. Uwe bede. Yahweh. Uro yeme. Wasweni me. As he talk finish, as a chairman, wait till you define. Abati, la wo, egi sweni me, egi mokpare government na, anyway, but who oppress, he oppress. Tell begin explain to me. He said, make I mention one person where you don't oppress. As a chairman, I don't get any problem with you. While they hear your name for different matter. I hear your name for Horomi matter. They knew what Horomi about it. They knew what Horomi. Gwogema ina Bwaka, Wagu Gwogema, Agi Gwogema, Agwogo Wabedo, Agi Gwogema, and talk. Now check and say, Ken, I beg, I'll call you back. Because I know what you say, I don't hear, I don't mention Tony again. Now say, make I reason and stand again. Because I don't want to lose guard my people. We believe in me. Just because Tony called me. Now crack. As I can't sit down and say, okay. I have to tell all this risk matter without, I don't want to mention Tony Kabaka name. Since he say, you know, the oppressed. I can't listen. I can't say, okay. Aside, maybe he boys, then they go extort people under Atalakpa, this thing. I can't say, okay. Since when they go cry high pavilion, go oppress vendors and bouncers. They can't say make bouncers kneel down for Tony. Because I never hear of direct oppression. And the few ones why they hear, that's okay. I feel slow down. I know they mention the name again. And they hear me so, and they tell me around 9:30 for morning. 9:30. I can't tell myself, say, okay. I can't come back in the evening. Make a letter and say, Ken, because of you, and the person they respect friendship. Because of you, I'm not going to mention Tony name for some time. But make it play card well. If you do what you want to do more, I know why you say he name pop up. If he name pop up for wrong thing, I'll call him out. As I call K called the black who they sleep. He said, about I beg, I'll call you back. I say, sorry. I feel I say they sleep. I cut him. He never reached 2 hours around after 6. Now receive call from my EFCC contact. My contact that he boss now sure. He said, Tony is in our custody. I said, which Tony? Now he light up for a video call. He switch on video call. Let's see Tony Kabaka. White and white with Yoruba cap. Now he twist time again. Now he cut on. I can't sit down. I said, me, I told you talk in the morning. Now update don't come. Tony, now a package when I take arrest or he would all business not going to work again. And they sell all her out. That's it, and they don't dive up. Because I'm not going to drop the updates. Because they make the update by itself, just enter social media. Then the person call me back. He say, how far? He said, never see the update online, no. Say, because they want to try to do the level man no man. Say, but if I cast her, it go hard. Now I look. I say, don't tell me when this fight starts. I say, drop the updates. And when I drop the updates, if you had done it, I did not insult Tony. Now wait. Guys, please, let's keep tapping. Please, TikTok. Let's go. Give me the tap. Because I know they play match. If I dey play match, TikTok don't they notify me. You know, as I get 1,000 people watching now on TikTok, TikTok want me to play match when they make money. So if I'm not playing match, I should be getting that tap from you. Please. I don't want to play match call for 5 minutes because I want a gift. Keep tapping, I beg. Keep tapping. Just keep tapping, I beg. I do the talking, you do the tapping, please. And they come. I don't know. Wednesday. I'm very sure that this is the one for education. All right. Many people don't call me since education. Listen to her. They send me. Okay, now. I beg go. I don't say if I put on the short update, I don't say the update. Buckish. Tony Kabaka arrested by the EFCC. Tony Kabaka, the EFCC net as we speak. Even EFCC shut. I tell you the matter. As we speak, go to EFCC office. Tony Kabaka is very white and Yoruba cap. They don't be Tony like this. But I will give you an update on why they be. I will give you an update on why they be Tony. Same today. Ebo store when they run since they go court today. As Ebo they go for court, now EFCC they go be Tony. As we speak, Tony Kabaka Day, EFCC next. Whether they will use connection bail down concern me. Whether they will arrange now down concern. But I say they can give an update. Say Tony Kabaka Day EFCC net as we speak. Ohe of Okorobi Day Oko Day prison. I tell you that say anybody when they say now only when he oppress the people, he go to the chop. They go suffer for this. They go suffer. They don't know what to be opposition. They don't know what to be Azua. Don't oppress my people. Don't set the state ablaze. Let the strong, the weak in the society, let them live. Let them breathe. The weak, the strong. Everybody have right to live in the door. All I have made office no. Tribal, Dorish Lagos. Who again?
You know what I'm saying?
Who again? All hell Azua. I know insult her for this report. I don't even give details. Say now Naira this to make them spray, make them carry on. Even when I know. The only thing I talk say they feel use connection, release them that evening. They say when there's a video for EFCC, they come begin to say, "Una see now. I wish you don't come on since now. If I feel they come press button." I know when they released Tony last night. My contact still call me. They say they don't grant him administrative bail. If he come back at any time for the matters. That's why when people call a comment, they say, Tony Diaz, I just called him, Tony Diaz. I called him and say, make una tell Tony to do video. That was a setup because Tony is not smart. That was a setup. I set trap for him. Just waka it. I said, as I said true last night, when he reach us, he don't do video to debunk, say, they don't arrest him. I say, blessed Tony, don't wise, oh. I said, before Tony don't come out, I said, blessed Tony don't wise, oh. Only for that stupid boy. We work for Aswe Godalo, Chris Osa. The boy is looking for I want to enter APC back fully. Only for the stupid boy to carry. If I don't say if we told you go don't arrange and say, well, what are they? Come carry for and they go in house now. I go not for a gate. You don't know say they come. I know how to operate. When you with an army go get issue. I know how I told you they wake me up early in the morning. La wo oh baby no America na oh he can't reply. That time so loud was his PA. Anytime I told him get video, he go do video, go complicate the matter. I can't tell Solange say I equal a chairman with video. When you carry camera face story like this, you see the illiteracy in him will just vibrate, it will just evaporate. The talk in him will just boom. I can't say I'll reply and I'll be go, make chairman not talk anything again. Now Chris carry camera, go meet her for house. He reached there to tell you say education not be scam. If your parents give you education, respect them. You don't know what they give you. Maybe in your next life, you will try illiteracy. Make you know what the illiterates they go through. Then just they talk, the next thing he carry phone.
Baba, he said me dead detention. Normally, I want to say something here. It's 7:26 a.m.
Oh, we have 7:26. Oma give here. 7:26 a.m. Miss they sleep for you. I still in bed. Your boy rap you when you bed. Your boy your way if you're in your bed. Now this one carry motor to tell you say before this one come wake up, dress up. You go don't wake up around 6:30. Carry motor enter road. The first Uber. Yeah, my dear.
Of May on a Tuesday. And as you can see, I'm driving to come with Tony Kabaka's house. Because now yesterday after posting that video, you know, yes, some persons were like, about Obazee, what's his name, come with Tony Kabaka should do a video. In fact, Albert was like, let Kabaka do a video. Literally, I'm saying the truth. That is not lying. He was so convinced. I don't know why he's so convinced
Settle.
that Tony Kabaka has been arrested. I don't know what that kind of thing. I don't know why they're so convinced. So even me now, I got a video say, I be a lie. Tony Kabaka lie give me. So that's why I said I woke up this morning. Okay, I'm going to his house. Without telling him, I'm not telling him I go to his house. I want to get him on our way. I want to see them. If I don't see him for what, I'll ask gate man, come, your car. Yeah, he did last night. that just to be sure. Because this Albert, I don't understand why. So guys, I'm here. I just got here now. I told you guys I'm coming to Komitori Kabaka's house. I'm here now at the moment. You know, today remains the 27th day of May. On a Tuesday, Children's Day. I'm here already. And this is Komitori Kabaka that Abba said has been arrested by the EFCC.
My brothers and sisters, I don't like doing all these things before, but that idiot is pushing me. My message to Abba, you listen now. Make you fix it, make your mind for day. You don't do many atrocities. Nobody talk to you. Abba, I swear, if you insult me again, I'll go your papa, your mama house. Abba, because they know they fit talk to you. Your papa, your mama, be like say they'll feed it. Make you know as it be, Abba. Now me tell the shine. Every time you Kabaka, every time me.
First, let me address this. Tony Kabaka, you are not a comrade. You are a tout and an agbero. A tout and an agbero that you be. You're not a comrade. Now when we get Oshomole, now Oshomole turn tout and agbero to comrade because he give una union. So once you be head of union, Oshomole go just say in the beginning call you comrade. You are not a comrade. Now, for all your atrocities, political thuggery, and all the things, nobody don't call your papa out. I know your father. I know your mama before your mama die. Nobody. I know you when they do conductor for Ring Road. You have always been like this. Even when they play for politics, from a distance that they observe you, you have no right to threaten my parents. You are almost 60 years. Nobody don't call your parents out. Nobody don't do video say, if we don't see Tony, we'll go meet the papa. Nobody don't do one. So you say you want to do it to me? You feel you can bully me? You feel you can threaten me? You feel you are above the law? And I should submit to you? My family should submit to you? No, now, Tony. That's unacceptable. It will not work.
If I catch you, you know me now. You know how many times you don't use that your knee beg me follow everywhere if you come. Even when you're useless Obazee they government. When I take street, if I catch you for street, you they use your knee not to win on. Not that law. I've let you know.
Now, Tony Kabaka, I want to tell you today, I never see anywhere you fight blow to blow. I never just say, if I enter Nigeria, they stage me and you. In 60 seconds, I'll knock you down. Forget about the way they carry. I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you that if we are to stage man to man, in 60 seconds, I don't knock you down. But the way you operate, you move with boys, you move with talks. Of your mind, I remember the day when we carried Zlatan come. I mean, Naira Marley. I don't know what happened. You begin blow people for inside club. Nobody agree retaliate. They all leave you. For your mind, you get power. Because you deal with talks. You they blow, hey, Tony La, you they boah. But I wish who you they blow retaliate you, he pull your jaw down. Maybe you for fall. I know purpose when you try one time, as you wear and slap it, wear you back. You might like me fee. You know so me why you know you for follower. So Tony, if I enter Nigeria, I know you carry your buy tickets, but I'm gonna take water. I know your back can say Iriedo. Since they say I can't believe Iriedo, I can't prove a point. No, I don't have that. He said, I come this UK. I never travel go Nigeria with less than 25 million. We are going inside. Go to the sitting room and close the door. Because I be structured man. I get followers. I get boys. I get friends. I get family. I get staff. Because if I dare around, I say, a party around, I will very me. So when you say me, I see money now come meet you say to prove a point, say they say me I not come believe, not be the believe I enter so. Tony, you don't ever work out since 1999. Only you since 1999. Only you say you just a job go. Only you. You must see some jobless boys, some illiterate who don't go school, who don't learn work. When they carry follow body as your boys, wasted spend, wasted life. They have no life of their own. Well, if you don't still use some, after some time you go trash them, recruit fresh boys. Who don't follow you when maker? Who don't follow you when builders? Who? You use them and dump them. Who? You the carry boy, they say, clear up for chairman, clear up for chairman, clear up for chairman. You say, yeah, because you believe say if you catch me one-on-one with your boys, as they fight me, they're going to hold me. Hey, boy. Now, Tony, I've never knelt down to beg you once. Let me address this part. Now, only 2 times, me and you I don't try to reconcile with you. Because I don't be bad person. I be very good person. Even as you did so, you will forget all the good what I do for you. But I don't forget all, some good what you do to me. The only first time when me and you try to reconcile was when a part Dumez Edo Eruwaila open a company for bypass. Now my team they do media for that place. And they do media their team. I can't call. I let call. As I can't say you and them able am ambassador for one side. Me did the opposite side. You get one guy went there abroad. What do they call this guy? Oh, if I did Nigeria Association president, he black, he get BS like me. I don't mention the guy name. Me with a constant. The young. Somebody call it, do me like this. Doroli. God bless you. Doroli. Doroli. Me and Doroli stand. We all they talk. Because I call it Doroli. Tony Kabaka they stretch towards our direction. I can't tell Doroli say, Tony say, where? Because we know they talk. If they do it, me they do my team. But because Obazee cannot give anybody power to abuse power, you dare not. Even when they follow Obazee, you dare not. Which of Obazee boys, when Obazee was in power, go social media, threatening person life. They don't bore you way. Not in under Obaseki's watch. They don't bore you way. They're going to say, no, I'm about to wear Tony here. I said, since when? I said, don't know because what's here. I don't know what capital. All the people many there, many chairmen there. I can't squat. Because they sit down. I don't stand and look ahead. You see, don't me. I can't squat. Because chair. He called our he said, yeah, chair. I said, you my chairman, yeah, chair Albert. Oh, and you call me. All of the day there. Some of your boys gonna record me and you. When they post the video, where I for beg you. Or where I for me down. I said, chairman, it matter where, but if you beg where. Now today be the first time when they call Tony. And I will call some. He go, hey. Or I say, mere boy. And you can beg. You can't insult my parents and I'll still sustain that respect for you. You don't lose that forever. I said, chairman, I throw might give you based on politics. I criticize you, but I don't throw direct insult. Or would chairman, if you bring anywhere I for insult you, here now I will do that. I will beg you. Oh well, people like to call it Lucas. Oh mama, boy, ya go as I say chairman no melane like be asa. I clear her instanta. I be your boy, so you say wagbe. He say boy, ya go asa. I say no, chairman melane like be asa. I tell her they make it my day. Now I go back. Go sit down. From there we come out. We know they jam like that. It will be for party all day, like all day, my lay. Sometimes if I reach Wesley, say he dead there. Sometimes maybe I just sit down. Tony go say, Wesley go say, we meet Tony there. Iwe man or toy, mami, gritan, mami. Yagre lekelo yegbe ya to ekwenye agrita to I call it buffon. Wesley they always say or deal na to ya to I call it buffon. Karata me able to the play. All the nonsense things when I know about Tony Kabaka, who know bono. And I know say because me able to the play now, me I call it talk online. Go bless I dey lie. No need. They do not wanna. When I go Nigeria, 2023, November, I go Nigeria at the ball, normal level. I was in Nigeria for 8 years. So, okay, if you don't get APC government, you don't feel look for Abat. That means you are a weak man. Now, government power is to the operate. That means you need Okpewolo power to fight Abat. Then you are a weak man. Who will weak you weak past Dodo. If you need government power to fight a small boy like me, when they call small boy, you need a city governor's power to fight me. You need APC power. That means you are a weak man. I go Benin. They do events for Edo Hotel. After the event, now that day, that governor give award to ex-governors when he present award to them, Oshomole, the Lucky Oyegu. The event finished around level. I tell my guys, we know you're from here, go hotel, go sleep, go club. Now we say, we dey go rave. Because we don't already tell Bratiabu say, I don't tell Bratiabu I'll come rave. And they go rave. We also go past district. Now we see this guy, Philip. We also say, I'll sing this street too. They don't renovate this place. They don't say the place fine. Now Philip, you also be forget. He said, city boy, you dead town? I said, yeah, it's a park. It's a park. I have park. He said, me a club with them now. I said, me not to I want to do club here. Now rave. He said, me I still club here before I go rave. Now we take enter inside. As we enter inside, the place too nice. They can't give us table. Me, Young Money, Jesse Roots, Solomon. We there about 8. I mean, no, about 6 of us. Make I pause the video here. We all did it soft. Now it is a Philip. Maybe they take Kabaka say, how about the club, how about they here? Now Tony Kabaka find me come this street that day. If I lie. We all day, and they dream and glare. We all soft. I did okay, I come from abroad. Small to deal with me. We all a sort of Glenn. You enjoy yourself. Now Philip come meet me. He said, Tony, they come club. Oh. I said, which one? He said, Kabaka. I said, he go there like them. He said, no. He said, your tell me, oh. Say, up, issue not go day. I said, me Kabaka go there for that club, they fight. If he slap me, I go retaliate. But I know you're going to be start the fight. Maybe with the boys, they will keep me for the club. He said, no. He said, when I be with the align, I said, we don't need to align. I said, man, you go there inside, there my side. No issue. I be make a come. I said, no, you say, you want to know whether I say, I don't get personal issue with Tony. I said, I don't get issue with him. Now, he never really reached 20 minutes. We see where we sit down, like stand. We don't even sit down. We just, they bring table. We all stand around the table. They come bring drink. I told you your pass like this. It with normal. So yeah. We don't get ahead with the pack follow and crazy people. Your pass. So one of the Chinese people, they come sit day one side. They told you don't even get table. They don't even get seat because there's no food. They can't attach them to some Chinese guys where they enjoy themselves. Come day. Me, I do my glasses. I say I want to pass. So my friend Jason would come to me and say, he want to go here, Tony. Or I get to, and I said, no, I'm not going to go and greet her here, make it boom me. I club with this. And that guy already first time say they come. I don't make people say, now me go find a trouble. Now me can't. Jason will go greet her. I just don't greet her because the air battery on my tour, man. I know what Jason will tell her. Jason will come and say, Chairman, I wear city boss, toy. I say, I don't want to go meet her and make it embarrass me. Because it's a bit used to shine where. Go bless and me come beggar. If you don't say, I don't want that kind. He said, no, that's okay. Later, Jason will say, yeah, give me a get toy. You were cheap. Later, I say, me and this guy, we don't too distance ourselves. And I say, I don't greet her empty-handed. Now I call the bag and say, bring Glenfiddich dish for me. 80 years. That period was 180,000. Then I carry the Glenfiddich dish. As I reach where it did. Because I don't. It don't really stretch that hand of fellowship. Me as a younger person, when you respect the age and seniority, and the fact say we don't get anything personal outside political batters. Now I carry the drink, give her. He hugged me. Yes, it's a pie. Because a pie good if you do where or we're about to do where man, but he miss you where. He genuinely tell me say he miss me. Or he tell like you work, but I was a child, I still like you, but so can't see me the year you did Akpes play, you got more bat. Now you accept the drink. Now I come out. You never reach 1 hour again. Now I say, go give him another bottle. 180 plus 180. How much? Is that not 360,000? No, we don't always wait back for our table. Over 1 million I use for club that night. They give him the second bottle. He hear me like this. He hear me. Achi. I was okay. It should not be. The next day, I'll be just Ruto. Amadi. Me and Amadi now we know the two flow. Because of the APC matter, I just give him space. Because he behaved like snake, follow me. Then somebody can say, say me I told you they clear. I can say yes, so say, he said, since this play not there, more we all here, more your play rich. He asked more your give a surprise visit. I can say, we surprise visit. I can say, we surprise visit. I said, yeah, we can go to the house because we meet for club. I said, yo. I said, no, I want to go. I said, if we meet for outside, I want to greet her. Say, how you go in house early morning, go greet her. As what? When I no bomb before. So Tony, I said, make I clear you this part. Say, I not try to meet you. If I still meet you anywhere for Nigeria, you want problem, I'll call police for you. I'll call DSS for you. If I deal with security, I'll say, may they match you. Because of course, since you don't already threaten my life now, if I go to Nigeria, I will need protection. If you become a security risk, they know what to do. They will tell you for more to go drop for police station. But if you still meet and you say, about no verse, so say I threaten you that time, we'll still play. But for my parents, you have no right to threaten them. So you get man, you know you're the fear. So you want to go wear my parents. What if you wear it to kill them? You want to go kill my parents for us? I beg you. Because there's nothing you not fit do APC.
If I catch you, you know me now. You know how many times you don't use that your knee beg me follow everywhere if you come. Even when you're useless Obazee dey government. When I take street, if I catch you for street, you they use your knee not to win on. Not that law. I will let you know with Kabaka about. He said me day detention. Normally, I want to say something.
Bro, here.
Is it bad if you are invited by EFCC? I'm not above the law.
You are not.
I'm not above the law. EFCC invited me. I went there. They asked me question about the video that concerns Mary B marriage. So that is the video that they were Abba started trending, and the one of Abba Olita.
Now this is a lie. All through the time where Ebo get EFCC issue, I never posted a video of Tony Kabaka. It was deliberate. I never posted a video of Tony Kabaka. One time they say people, they say video, how about gather this one, write petition against this one. I never did. Never. My issue with Ebo Stone was because the way he take go to extort those girls where he say they be sex workers. I never posted any video of Tony spraying money. Never. I don't even know how EFCC they get all those videos. And I know, I did very sure. Say that Ebola implicate Tony. Say he don't go down alone. I can tell you that for free. That boy is capable of anything evil. Amen. I'm going to try the video where killer. No bomawa, no weawa.
And I placed father's burial, 3 video. I went there to defend it. I went there, really, that video is long before Ebo Stone was arrested. When Ebo Stone was arrested, I think since then, everybody changed the narrative of spray money. Yeah. You understand? Because we don't know that.
Oh, please, guys, please keep tapping. Let's me verify. Please keep tapping, please, keep tapping.
So for you, Albert, to come and be bringing, you are not the one telling EFCC what to do. EFCC don't even watch your page. EFCC, they are doing their job, normal duty. I'm not above the law, Albert. I was invited by EFCC. I went there for questioning. After everything, my lawyer took me on bail. Came back home. You started doing videos that are meditation.
Wait, no be wetin I talk be this. I think say he want to say they no arrest her. He said the questioner. No be who they arrest and they grab bail. He said they release her to a lawyer on bail. Wetin I talk differently. What if we call talk different from what you talk? We call it to you threatening my parents. That you want to buy them. You want to wear them. You want to go meet them for a savior. See, as a citizen journalist, as a blogger, I get right. Provided I not lie, I not defame you. I get right to report what happen for EFCC. I get right. I'm not a coward like a Ranomigo where they worship your oppressors. I get right. How they lie.
Abat. Obame abawe. Don kabazo. Obame abawe. Nuke ziba, nuke gbe. Mewe gbe kan. Ya ne mani redu. Ya tama. Ya ne Ranomigo ongwegwa. We.
Shebi I tell another say Tony Kabaka beat Ranomigo for Benin. Ranomigo said a lie. Now why they told us say Yane Ranomigo, they beat Ranomigo for Constantia. Now why Ranomigo now they fear Tony? He have better Constantia. Tony be tell we tell the beg Obazee yamu na ne Ranomigo. So that's why Ranomigo now is dancing to Tony's side. Because he's a coward like him.
Abat. Wesha, why you are not coming to Nigeria again? The way I look at
now you get Nigeria.
They'll be insulting everybody, even to the palace. You. Hey, worry. I'm waiting for you one day so that we jump one-on-one. Let me break your ribs. I break your jaw.
With joy.
You know me now. Can I describe myself for you again about? That is it. The answer is no. Until when you fall back, may God let you fall back home. May God bring you back home one day. May one thing bring you to Nigeria. Then you know you are talking to. Wabira. You get where you're doing rich now. Your papa, your mama will feed the heat for my hand. I go your past, your mama's. I go weird there. You go know say na Kabaka you dey find trouble. Because I your quiet, Jesus be fool, Abi.
So the wearing means killing. That's what I know. That is going to my family house to wear them. That means to kill them. So I'm using this opportunity to call on the state government, the federal government, the DSS, the police to look into the threat to my life and that of my family. And I'm also using this opportunity to call on the British authority to look into this open threat to my family. I'm calling on the Interpol. I'm calling on the Interpol to look into this open threat to my life and that of my family. So Tony, we know you. Your brother told us how you shot him, Kapwepwe. Now why that boy hand be like this? Ranomigo has also told us how you have been involved in series of killings allegedly. I can play Ranomigo videos reeling out all your atrocities in Edo. You have been fingered in so many violent activities. We have also seen your BBC interview where you told say you be member of Neo-Black movement, aka Blackers. You told us how you control the streets. If you want to gather cultists, you will gather cultists. So I am not underrating you. And I'm not daring you. I'm not gambling with the life of my parents. I'm telling you, don't hurt my parents. Don't hurt my family. They are not on social media. They are not into politics. If you do, the law will take its course. I've seen videos of my younger brothers. Everybody, they respond differently. It is only a foolish man, It is only an illiterate that will say, this person do me, go transfer aggression. Are you different from those cultists? We will go find their opposite member. They're not saying they'll buy the person, mama. You are not different from those cultists. If you can threaten that you will go to my family house to wear them, don't go and wear them, oh. And don't go and send innocent, foolish boys to go wear them while you go hide for Ugbo. You dey hear me so? You want go wear them. And anytime I told it, make sure that wearing. The whole world don't see me. Now killing. Now, when I say another way, they life just now. As you say, everybody come on, leave on, come sit down for here. See YouTube, over 1,000 people watching on YouTube, 1,500 people watching on TikTok. If you are not following us on TikTok, you are on a long team. Look up, may you follow. Keep tapping. Tap. Now, if you are here, you love my work, you love what I do, you love Azua, start popping money gun to pepper them. My birthday is on Sunday. Pop your gift, send super chats. May they cry. They pop gift, may they see them. Say, I get people. Now fight and they fight so. Pop money go. I want to see her. What go your money? What go the money go? You're Tony. No bomb over here. YouTube. See any super chat. Jerry Obazee, thank you. Don't knock on $50 US. Where are my people when they control pounds? Where are the euros? Where are the naira? See a super chat, may they see what where you may they believe, may they not say the majority, the silent majority there with me. Thank you for the heart. Agbele give to you. The two platform over 2,500. TikTok 1.5. TikTok 1.5. YouTube over 1,000. Hello, Chief. I agree to sir. Very fine, sir. Kabaka don't craze enter street now. I don't smoke them. They don't get peace for their own government. I mean, be Azua. I go cure their craze. Bros, whatever talk of reward.
No, they will. They will. We just pray we will win. They will. Nobody will not know. Now you be opposition. You get anything you want me to do for you because this threat, you know, I used to write a petition to the idea and all this Kabaka threat.
No, sir, a lot will go on. Tony said he's going to my family house. A lot will go on. A lot will happen. I will do live now, sir. I did live now, sir. Are you watching me live? The link there your phone already. I did live on TikTok and YouTube, sir. So now person where they USO, you know when they watch me, they call me. Thank you very much, Fowler. God bless you, Fowler. Man, not call me. When I buy gifts, not call me. Now everybody fight and they fight so. They said the only way to get Abba to shut up is to attack his family. Hello? Hello? I greet you. I greet you. You dey watch me? Okay. No, we don't sweep under the carpet at all.
People that they feel being there is not there this week. Before Philip encourage their kangaroo to destroy Tony Kabaka house. Tony Kabaka been sorting Obazee right from the day he decided to say, give now tickets. But the guy is not saying being popular to our being for the people they talk about when they come for something between you and him. There is that story, that history. When Tony Kabaka had been sorting Obazee from beginning to as far as this idiot and when they start Obazee never come out one day, or you yourself never come out one day. The only thing they already counter them. The only they did, you counter them. Instead of the counter, you never threaten people one day. That's why they follow you. Nobody can. See, there is especially that get one woman when die in and I said they use your fake account. They talk anyhow. I just look and say, this woman, those are the hypocrites when they beginning. This every you they do the right thing. They talk anyhow. When beginning, especially Manivia to hypocrite my working, a dog bedo. Nobody come out one day. So if not be you, that even there against them, say maybe stop. You know, he saw their parents, so Tony Kabaka came out today and begin to insult his parents, not even your parents, my brother.
Yes.
I bet bad position to rope up this to be Tony Kabaka. Who is Tony Kabaka? Who is Tony Kabaka? If not because we be the reason not to attracting a woman, not to attract a woman, for the advance of Opawolo is doing now. How many shall not come up now to say against Opawolo? If not beginning at the border, sorry, this is our brother, Paris Opera. Probably they do it constructively. If not beginning now, say not beginning there. That's all that they own your back. I mean, you don't ever see for Paris call Opawolo own your back. You don't ever see Chavez come and say that Opawolo now own your no. If not beginning now own your back.
No wala. Thank you.
So, Barona, you have to pass petition against them. Especially about this stupid Tony Kabaka and the rest of them.
Tony Kabaka and Chrisosa. Now the two of them are threatening my family. Two of them. Tony Kabaka and Chrisosa, the two of them.
No, I mean, the shame for not come out to call Opawolo, if I believe that on your back, everywhere, but not be there on your back, on your side, on your side, if you come out, on your back. Now God create heaven and earth.
No shaking. I greet you.
I see that they make with the best, so I beg.
No wala.
Carry on, my brother. I watch you here. One of my brother here.
No wala. So, all hey Felix Erabo, you don't knock $100 for me for YouTube. Make una tear me gift. May I they told them. No one bomb over here. Come, Slim Joe, if you call me direct again, I'm going to block you. Stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense now. You dey drop nonsense comment for TikTok. I don't block you now. You dey call me direct. Are you mad? God bless all my gifters. See, my grippers will tear me money going us now for TikTok. I dey turn them. As I buy this gift now, your person that you carry dagger, they pierce in a lot of people that they pia. Now 3 people don't buy me gift now. I want to make it reach 10. 7 more to go. 7 more to go on YouTube. Come on, blessed child. I will soon block you. If you call my UK line, WhatsApp, I will block you. Try it again. I'm again. Now, let's move to the next update. Okay, wait. Time to block. As I block you now, your mind will day. Ugbel agbon. What we told you agbel. So, make una sit on you. How many of you know this guy? Drop his name if you know him. Type his name for the comment section. I want cast on right now.